When there's big work to do, you want premium tractor performance. So let's compare the John Deere 4R series tractors with the Kubota L series on things like transmissions, lighting, power takeoff, hydraulics, and loaders. We'll see who delivers tractor performance that can truly be called premium. Both the John Deere 4R and Kubota L offer a roomy open platform with a tilt steering wheel. But only John Deere features well-placed color-coded controls and a great suspension seat that can swivel, handy for checking on rear implements. How about premium performance in transmissions? Both these tractors, the Kubota L6060 and the John Deere 4066R, offer a clutch-free hydrostatic. But only the John Deere offers the comfort and performance of twin touch pedals. The L6060 uses the old-fashioned treadle pedal, hardly premium performance. Plus, John Deere offers one more transmission option you won't find on this size Kubota: a power reverser. This tough gear transmission features a clutch-free reverser. Simply flip the lever to switch from forward to reverse, making the power reverser a great low-cost transmission for loader work. For PTO work, both the Kubota L series and the John Deere 4R tractors feature a fully independent power takeoff. But only the John Deere 4R tractors feature an ePTO that can save fuel whenever you do light power takeoff work. With the ePTO engaged, the 4066R can run a 540 PTO speed with just 1,800 RPMs on the engine. This lower engine speed reduces noise, engine wear, and can save you hundreds in fuel costs each year. Kubota offers nothing like an ePTO in its L series. On the L6060, the engine must run 800 RPMs faster to get a 540 PTO speed. Once again, the premium money-saving performance comes from the John Deere 4R series tractors. 3-point hitch implements. John Deere again delivers a unique premium feature: hydraulic downforce. The 3-point on the L6060 is typical for tractors in this price and horsepower class. Tractor hydraulics power the going up, but just gravity does the going down. That's no big deal on some rear implements. But for tools like a box blade or a post hole digger, premium performance comes from hydraulic down pressure. Only available on 4R series tractors. Hydraulic down pressure means more holes dug per hour and more aggressive digging from box blades and rear blades. Premium performance shouldn't stop when the sun goes down, and both the Kubota L and the John Deere R series offer excellent front headlights. But only John Deere goes the extra step by adding fender-mounted side lights on its open station tractors. This gives the operator better illumination on both sides of the tractor. For work after hours, premium performance comes from better visibility and from John Deere 4R series tractors. Let's talk ride and stability. If your tractor only works on flat, smooth ground, you'll like the standard wheel spacing on both the Kubota L6060 and 4066R tractors. But if you need to negotiate hills, ditches, and rough ground, you'll like the wider stance only available on the John Deere 4R series tractors. Only John Deere offers optional wheel spacers, giving you a wider rear wheel stance. For stability and ride quality, wider is better. It's another example of premium performance from the John Deere 4R tractors. Both the Kubota L and John Deere R series offer loaders with similar specifications, but only John Deere offers a loader with mechanical self-leveling. The bucket angle you set stays constant going up and going down. Kubota L series doesn't offer this premium feature on its loaders. Let's compare one last thing: tool storage. That's right, tool storage. Both John Deere and Kubota provide a handy, if not exactly spacious, fender-mounted toolbox. But only John Deere goes further by adding a second premium toolbox, ready to hold a log chain, large tools, even your lunch. No one buys a tractor just because there's a big toolbox. But isn't it nice John Deere cared enough to give you a premium toolbox anyway? So let's recap. Premium controls, John Deere 4R series tractors. Premium power takeoff, John Deere with the money-saving ePTO. Premium hydraulics, Only the John Deere 4R series delivers hydraulic down pressure. Premium loaders? Only the John Deere 4R series offers a premium loader with mechanical self-leveling. Premium lighting? Again, the John Deere 4R series. Premium ride and stability? Only John Deere offers optional wheel spacers for a wider stance and more stability. Even the toolboxes are premium on the 4R series tractors, so don't settle for good enough performance. Visit your John Deere dealer and see what premium tractor performance feels like. And ask your dealer about the dozens of available attachments to customize your 4R tractor to your needs.